understanding approaches to system development and project value. Okay, yes. While I write, can you discuss with your partner the recent apps that have been made between 2020 and 2025? Okay? So, with your partner, what apps have you come up with? Type. Come on, TikTok. Oh. Yes?
Chat.
Another one? TikTok. Another one? Lipstick. And it's Facebook. So all these apps, when they are developed, they follow the systematic flow and they're being made, right? So that's what we'll be taking you through today. So, right. A system development approach is a structured way in which a system is planned, designed, developed, and maintained. It provides a clear process to ensure that the software meets the user's needs, is delivered on time, and functions correctly. Okay? Have you written? Yes. Okay. So what are some of the approaches you can take? You have three: traditional approach, iterative approach, and prototype approach, right? So for the traditional approach, we can have when making this a traditional approach, the steps are clear and rigid. Rigid. It is well documented. best for fixed requirements. Examples of this are something like bank apps, you can say government apps, and payroll systems. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Iterative approach. For this one, you know, the steps, when making the steps are flexible, developed in small parts, and best for evolving projects. So some apps that we can make using iterative approach are like so we know they're flexible, they're developed in small parts, and best for evolving projects. So iterative approach, you can make these types of apps, the TikTok, the DeepSeek, something that the users will edit to the user's needs, okay? So the third one is prototype approach. The prototype approach, they are mostly user-driven or require user feedbacks. They best for clear requirements. So, for example, something like DeepSeek or ChatGPT. These two you can make using prototypes. You go when editing the app structure, right? Okay. Have you understood? So I will leave you with an assignment. So for assignment, I want you to go and read on waterfall model, agile model, and spiral model. Okay, we will discuss this in the next lesson. So have a good day. We'll meet next week.